Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a made for all mauve look featuring the new limited edition Dolly's Glam Getaway collection by Buxom Cosmetics. To start, I'm brushing my brow hairs upwards and filling them in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Detailer in the shade 3.5. This pencil is super precise and creates very realistic hair-like strokes. I'm carving out the bottom edge of the brow with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5, and then I'm tapping that all over my lid and setting the brows in place with the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. Now I'm using the Buxom Dolly's Glam Getaway eyeshadow palette from the collection. This 6-pan palette retails for $30 and features shades inspired by their #1 best-selling shade, Dolly. First, I'm picking up the shade Sarong and sweeping this through the crease using a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm placing a piece of tape at the outer corner of my eye so that I can create a winged effect with the next shade, Espresso Martini. I'm applying this along the outer half of my lash line and dragging it right against the tape. Then I'm picking up the shade called Mauve Haze and using it to blend out what I just applied. I'm continuously picking up more of this to add more depth into the outer V, and then I'm grabbing the shimmery shade called Flirty Frosé and applying this all over the front part of my eyelid. Now I can remove the tape to reveal the sharp edge, prime my skin, and add some concealer along the outer edge of the shadow to act as a barrier so that we don't blend too close to it while we add the rest of our face makeup. For blush, I'm using the new Buxom Plump Shot Blush in Cheeky Dolly. This is a cream formula, so I'm applying it before foundation. And then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the shade 20 in, and after blending that with a damp beauty blender, I'm adding concealer underneath my eyes and to the center of my face. Once that's blended, I'm using the Hourglass Veil Powder to set underneath my eyes, and then I'm contouring with the Buxom Staycation Vibes Bronzer in Backyard Bronze. I'm taking a small dense brush to add some definition to the sides of the bridge of my nose, then I'm switching to a large fluffy brush for the contours of my cheeks and around my forehead and jawline. With that same brush, I'm adding some powder blush. This is the Buxom Wanderlust blush in the shade Dolly. After highlighting with the Wanderlust highlighter in White Russian, I'm setting everything in place with the Urban Decay Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. To finish off the eyes, I'm curling my lashes, applying the Buxom Blackest Black Mascara, and popping on some false lashes from Lashglamr in the style Olivia. Another product in the collection is the Line Lasting Eyeliner. This is in the shade Midnight Sparkle. It's a rich black with opal and silver pearl. I'm just adding it to my tight line so that my lashes blend together better, and then I'm dragging it along my bottom lash line and using the built-in angled blending brush to soften and smudge it. After adding mascara to my bottom lashes, I'm mixing 3 out of 4 of the lip products from the collection. First up is the Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Magnetic Mauve. This mauve lilac shade retails for $22. Next, I'm applying the full-on satin lipstick in Pink Crush. This rose mauve satin shade retails for $26. You can stop here or add some gloss. I'm adding the full-on Plumping Lip Cream in Berry Spritz. This lilac mauve cream shade retails for $23. And that completes this made-for-all mauve look featuring the Buxom Dolly's Glam Getaway collection. Did you get your hands on this collection yet? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!